Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Bumble dating application on your iPhone as a beginner. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. In order to start using Bumble, you'll first need to download the Bumble dating application on your device. Step 1. Download and install Bumble. Open up your App Store from your iPhone and then go to the search box at the top and type in Bumble. Once you make a search for the application, look for Bumble Dating and Meet People application displayed on the screen. Tap on the download or the install button to start downloading the app on your device. Once the application is installed, you will be able to launch it open. Bumble is a popular online dating and networking application with a unique twist. It empowers women to make a first move and it offers different modes. Bumble is a free-to-download application and it can be used for basic functions. However, they also offer premium subscriptions and features that provide additional perks like extended matching times and profile boosts. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open Bumble application. Step 2. Creating an account. After opening up your Bumble application, you will be prompted to sign up or log into an existing account. Select any one options that you feel comfortable with, whether you are signing up or logging into an existing account. You can continue signing up with Apple, Facebook account, or use a phone number. Select any one method from the list. I'm using the phone number option. Select your country code from the left and then type in your mobile phone number on the next field. Tap on the little arrow at the bottom right and tap the OK button in the pop-up to verify your phone number. Now you will receive an SMS code sent to you via your phone number. Simply go ahead and enter the code that you received. After typing down the code, tap on the arrow at the bottom right once again. Once you get to this page, you will now need to enter your first name. Tap on the next button once done, and then add your first two profile photos. Tap the plus icon and select whether you'd like to upload your photo from your camera, your phone's library, your Facebook account, or your Instagram account. You can select any one option and select a photo that you'd like to upload. After uploading a photo, you can also add more photos, or you can also simply get to the next step by tapping on the next option. Now on the next page, type in your birthday information, enter your birth date, and select your gender on the next page. You can also choose whether you'd like your gender to appear on your profile or not. If you don't want it to appear, you can disable this button. If you want it to appear, you can toggle on the button and tap on next. On the next page, you can choose different mode to get started with. You will be able to switch between dating mode or BFF mode. Select one of the options and tap next again. Answer more questions along the way, and you can also add a recovery email address if you can't log into your account. You can also skip this step by tapping skip, and you can also do this later. Now, if you want to connect your Instagram account with Bumble, tap on Connect Instagram and follow through the prompts. If you don't want to do that now, tap on Not Now and select some of the interest from the list. Enter your height. Also, you can answer some other questions or you can skip them according to your preference. And once you are done answering all of those questions, you can now choose your first photo you would like to upload. Now, after following the prompts, you will end up in the main homepage of your Bumble account. Step 3. Exploring matches. Once your profile is ready, you can now start exploring potential matches in your area. Swipe right on the profile you would like to indicate your interest. Swipe left in order to pass. If you and the other user both swipe right on each other's profile, it will be a match. Once you find a match for yourself, you can now start messaging each other. You can also use the Beeline feature to see users who have already swiped right on your profile, making it easier to find mutual matches. Step 4. Messaging. Soon after you find a match for yourself, you can now go ahead and send a message to the match. Simply type inside the tab at the bottom and then tap on the send button. to initiate a conversation. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to start a conversation with the person. Once you open up the conversation with them, you will then be able to send photos and GIFs by tapping on the camera icon at the bottom left or the GIF option at the bottom. Make sure to keep your messages friendly and respectful and try to engage in meaningful conversation to get to know your matches better. Step 5. Adjust settings. You can adjust your account settings, notification preferences, and privacy settings by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom left. Now tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner, which will then take you to the settings menu. Here, you can change your mode, locations, security and privacy settings, notification settings, and much more from the settings tab. You can also unlock premium features to be in full control of your Bumble experience, upgrading Bumble Boost for more chances to match with extra features, get unlimited likes by purchasing the premium option. Step 6. Logging off or signing out of Bumble. After you are done using the application and you'd like to log out of your account, simply go ahead and tap on the profile picture at the bottom left corner. Once you get to the profile page, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner and scroll all the way down and tap on the log out button. Before logging out, make sure that you know your credential that you used while creating your Bumble account, since you will need to log in using the same credential. After you tap on log out, you can also choose to enable Face ID. Now tap on the log out button on the next page and you will then be able to log out of your Bumble account. So that was how you can easily use Bumble as a beginner on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.